Welcome back, my dear students. Let us continue the problem which we started. Okay, so we have calculated till now 3 problems. So this is the 4th problem on the Varangian's theorem. The problems are based on the Varangian's theorem. Okay, so find the equilibrant with respect to A as origin. Find the equilibrium with respect to A as origin for the system of forces showing in figure A. So this is the figure A. So this is A. Okay, this may be B, this may be C, and this may be D. We have to find the equilibrant. So what is this equilibrant? Equilibrant is a force, okay, which is opposite to the magnitude will be same as the resultant, but in the direction it is opposite to the reaction. ಓಕೆ ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ಆನ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದಾಗ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಇಮೇಜು, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸು ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮ್. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, so equilibrant is a force equal in magnitude but opposite and collinear. Equal in, so ಅದರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, equal in magnitude. Okay, equilibrant is a force equal in magnitude but opposite and collinear with the resultant to keep the system in equilibrium. I have told you this in the earlier classes only, what is equilibrant. So now equilibrium ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡೀರಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವಿ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 500 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥೀಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಥೀಟಾನ? ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2. Okay, we know the sides, we have theta. Can we find theta? Yes, we can find theta. That is tan theta is equal to, what we can write, opposite to adjacent to 2 by 2, it is 1. So therefore which implies theta is equal to 45 degree. Correct? Theta is equal to 45 degree. Next step ಏನು, summation of all the forces. So theta is equal to 45 degree ಬಂತಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 45 degree. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ, ಸೊ 500 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 500, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ 45. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 500 cos 45. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು summation of all the horizontal forces equal to 0, taking left to right as positive. Then see all the horizontal forces you have to take. First in horizontal force ತಗೋತೀರಿ 150, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 500 sin 45. ಸೊ 150 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 500 sin 45. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. 2000 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವ, ಇದು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ನಾವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು is equal to 0. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಚ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ horizontal force. ಸೊ summation of horizontal forces equal to 150 plus 500 sin 45. 150 plus your answer will be 503.55 Newton. 503.55 Newton. C. Summation of all the horizontal force equal to 0. It has come as positive. Now summation of vertical force is equal to 0, taking upward as positive. So all the vertical forces we have to consider now. So vertical forces illide, next 200 Newton ide, mattellara idya, matteli illa. Okay, so minus 200 downward direction, matte minus 500 cos 45 degree. Enidu summation of V. So summation of V is equal to 500 cos 45. So it will be minus 553, minus 553.55 Newton. So ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ವೈ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ವೈ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನು ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಚ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವೈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವೈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಥರ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ವಾಟ್ summation of h square plus summation of v square. I'll tell you directly the value r. I'll calculate. So 748.31, 748.31 Newton. You can calculate again. Okay, 748.31 Newton is the resultant force R. Now R ಗೆ theta means R ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ. So R value 748.31 and it will come in the fourth quadrant. So what should be the theta direction? So theta ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? tan inverse of e theta ಬೇರೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ theta ಬೇರೆ. So don't confuse it. So theta is equal to summation of v divided by summation of h. So theta is equal to, directly calculate. So minus 47.7 degree. Okay, minus 47.7 degree is your theta. So now r bantu, theta bantu. Now what you will find? We will find moment about a. So it is negative sign andre it is clockwise anti clockwise. ನೀನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? clockwise anti clockwise. As this online class I can't ask you also. So minus 47 degree, whenever the theta will come as minus, it will be clockwise. Okay, clockwise andre enu, it will come from x. So e direction clockwise. So moment about a, I will come to here when I draw the diagram. So moment about a ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? So a ಅಲ್ಲಿ moment ಯಾವ ಫೋರ್ಸು 150 into, so this will what it will make, it will make clockwise. So 150 into 1 2 3, 150 into 3 plus ಮತ್ತೇನು 500 sin 45. ಇದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎ, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನು 500 cos 45 into 4, 1 2 3 4, 500 cos 45 into 4 and that too is in clockwise direction. 200 ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? 200 ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈನ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ. It will not create any moment because distance will be equal to 0. So moment about a is equal to, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು 2000 Newton ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ and it is clockwise. So we have taken clockwise as positive. ನಮಗೇನು 2000 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ it is in clockwise direction with a. So I'll take directly 2000. Okay, now 2000 plus okay next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 150 into 3 150 into 3 ಆಮೇಲೇನು this 500 cos 45 500 cos 45 degree into 4 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ I'll calculate 3864.21 Newton meter. So 3864.1 Newton meter. Now what I have to find? I will find now the distance of A from the resultant. So that is moment about A divided by what? Your resultant value. So 3864.21 divided by resultant value is to 748.31. This implies D is equal to 5.16 meter. Okay, next time ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ x intercept to y intercept to x intercept is equal to moment about A divided by summation of h of v. No, so very careful whenever we calculate x intercept, we'll calculate v. So 3864.21 divided by summation of v is minus 553.55. so it will come as 6.98 meter. Y intercept will be MA by sigma h. It will be 3864.21 divided by 503.55. so it will be 7.67 meter. So 6.98, it is 7.67. now what I want, I got R as 748.31 Newton, correct? So RE will be, your equilibrant will be minus 748.31 Newton. Just we have to change the negative sign. I will show you graphically. That is, okay, this is your axis x, y axis, right? So where will be the resultant? Resultant will be here with an angle of what? Theta. H1 is the theta 47 minus 0.7. that too it is negative, right? Negative means it is clockwise. So fourth quadrantal barutte. So ಎಷ್ಟು 47 ಅಲ್ವಾ, clockwise ಅಲ್ವಾ? see 47.7 degree ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ resultant ಬರುತ್ತೆ. okay, this is the R 748.31 Newton. now what is RE? RE ಇಂಕ್ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಇದರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. so this is RE equilibrant is to 748.31 Newton, that is minus 78.31 Newton, and angle will be same 47.7 as it is opposite angles. so distance of A, now we have to show this point. so I'll direct slowly, I will write, that is A will be, so x distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 5.16 distance. so I'll take perpendicular to the, so this is perpendicular to the equilibrant. so this point, the distance is 5.16 meter. so this I mention as A point. 1 2 3 4 5. so this is the question given, this is the A point. it is at a distance of 5.16 meter. so this is equilibrant RE, this is reaction 748.31 Newton. so this is how we solve a problem. so now I'll go to the second problem. so find moment MA, find the moment about A and B each of the squares. So square size is 1 meter into 1 meter. We have to find the moment. Okay, so this was asked by one of the student. How? I'll show you now. So take down the, let's see on a diagram. So this is all 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay, square is 1 meter. ಇವಾಗ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ clockwise as positive. So MA is equal to, see, MA, so E pointer. So your 40 kilonewton will make anti-clockwise direction, see here, and your 10 kilonewton will make clockwise direction. So first I will take positive one, or I can come with this force only. So it is acting, 30 Newton is acting at 1 meter distance. Okay, it's acting like this, so it will create clockwise momentum. So distance is 1 meter, 30 Newton force. If for any forces come in this direction or in this direction, it will not create moment, but this will create the moment, right? So I will come see here. So from 30 Newton I will start. 30 into 1 meter, right? Why 30 is positive? Because it will create a clockwise moment, and 1 meter is the distance between A and that 30 Newton force. Next I will come to here, 50 Newton force. This 50 Newton force will is here, and it has distance of, see here, this is the perpendicular distance 2 meter, and it will also act clockwise direction towards the A. Though 50 into 2, 50 Newton force, perpendicular distance is 2 meter. I have to take this one, but okay, for this line it is 2 meter distance. So 50 into root 2, 50 into 2, then plus here see 10, it will create also clockwise 1 2 3 4, 4 is the distance, 10 into 4. Okay, then what are the forces here? 40. This only one is force which will make anti-clockwise direction, that is minus 40 into 1 2 3, correct? So 40 into 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. So A is like there. So 40 into 3. So moment about A will be, calculate, it is 50 Newton meter. Okay, and if it, after we assumed clockwise, if it comes positive means it is clockwise. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡು, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ತಪ್ಪು, ಅದು ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ clockwise as positive. So your MB value will be, so MB same nodri, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? So first I will take 30 Newton. So this 30 Newton will make about B, what it will make? It will make clockwise direction. So 30 into, so what is the distance, perpendicular distance? 30 and this line force 1 meter. Okay, then I will come to this 50 Newton. Same, I will go in this pattern only. So this 50 Newton will make anti-clockwise direction about B. It will make anti-clockwise direction about B. So I will take minus 50 into, what is the distance between? It is 2. Then amele, so 10 Newton force B. If I take 10 Newton force, what is the perpendicular distance? You will take 0, because 10 Newton force ade line allide, it will not cause any, it will not create any moment about B, but this 40 kilonewton will create the moment, that too anti-clockwise moment. So 40 into, what is the distance between them? 3 meter. So your MB will be minus 190 Newton meter. See what I assumed as positive, but it is came as negative, so it is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so now we'll go to another problem. So find the resultant R. So I'll give you the hint, or I'll solve this problem. Okay, you just practice more and more problems so that you will be determined in the problem. So ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಮತ್ತು ಬೀಟಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, so first I'll find the angles tan alpha. So tan alpha is there here, so I'll take this triangle, see here. So I know this distance, opposite by adjacent, what will be 2 by 3. So alpha is equal to 33.69 degree. So tan beta is equal to tan beta andre this triangle we take. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan beta 1 divided by 2. So beta will be tan beta 0.5, beta will be 26.57 degree. So why I calculated this angle means, first, so see here, this is alpha, right? 200. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು alpha ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So here beta, right? So this angle will be beta. Which angle? If I take, so this angle will be beta. So as these are inclined force, we have to make them, resolve them as one horizontal and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು vertical. ಯಾವುದೇ inclined force ಇರಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ಲು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು inclined force ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ what is the question, man? It is 400 Newton. Okay, so this is direction is downwards. So here on purely vertical, here on horizontal force. So this is how we resolve. Another 100 Newton force is there, so I'll resolve it vertically and I'll resolve it horizontally. So what will happen, this will become 100 sin 60, this is 100 cos 60, this is 200 cos 33.69, this will be 200 sin 33.69 degree. Okay, sin, this is here, this is beta, right? So 400 cos, because angle is here, so it is cos, how much, 26.57 degree. So this will be 400 sin 26.57 degree. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಥೀಟಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ summation of h equal to h2, summation of v equal to h2. So next step is some horizontal forces equal to 0, left to right as positive, summation of h is equal to, so what are the forces, see here, horizontal forces, here it is one horizontal force, here horizontal force, this one horizontal, 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 horizontal forces. So first I will take from this end, I will go 500 minus 500, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ minus 200 cos 33.69. okay, next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ 100 cos 60, that is also towards this one. So 100 cos 60 degree. Then which are the forces, 400, this one 400 sin 26.57. so summation of horizontal forces is equal to I'll calculate it. So minus 500 minus 200 cos 33.69 minus 100 sine 60 minus 400 sine 26.57. The value is minus 895.33. 895.33 Newton. So this is negative value, remember. So now summation of vertical force is equal to, so taking upward as positive, summation of vertical forces is equal to ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತವೆ, all the vertical forces same, 100 sine 60. So I'll take down, v is equal to, what is 100 sine 60? Yes, because it is positive. 100 sine 60 minus 200 sine 33.69. Next this one minus 400 cos 26.57. Then which are the forces? Minus this force at D, 300 Newton. So summation of V is equal to 100 sine 60 minus 200 sine 33.69 minus 426.57 minus 300. It will be minus 683.1 Newton. So this is also negative. So both summation of H and summation of V is negative. If they both are in negative means, so it will come in the third quadrant. Okay, the resultant will be in this third quadrant because here x is also negative, y is also negative. So I'll find R. So R is how much? Summation of H square summation of V square. So calculate it, you will get 1125.56. 1125.56 Newton. Okay, 1125.56 Newton. So I'll find theta also, that is sigma theta is what? Tan inverse of, okay, tan inverse of summation of V by summation of H. So that is equal to, theta is summation of V 37.30 degree. Okay, so here the in my negative sign of sigma V and negative sign of sigma H both will cancel. So we got here positive value. If theta is positive value, it is what? Anti-clockwise. So what is the anti-clockwise? Here I'll show you. So R value is 1125.56 and it is comes in third quadrant, right, due to sigma H and sigma V. So clockwise ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅದು 37.30 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಟು 1125.56 Newton. Okay, then what we have to find? Distance of A, summation of MA divided by resultant A. So D will be a direct answer. Oh, I have not find moment about A, right? So I'll keep this in. So I'll find the moment about A is equal to 0, taking clockwise as positive. Therefore moment about A is equal to, so we have to take, this is just a condition, okay, moment about A. So see here at A which are all the forces will act, or else I'll take this page only, but you can't see there also. See here, okay, I'll explain you. So moment about A we were calculating. So this both the force will create moment, and which are this all this both the force will create moment, and this force will create moment. This force will not create moment because it is in line with A, but this will create, and this 500 Newton will not, it will not create, other which are the forces ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ forces. So 500 Newton ಮತ್ತೆ 400 sin 26.57 ಇವೆರಡು ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ತೊಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು, 100 cos 60, 100 sin 60 ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ. ಸೊ 100 cos 60 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಎ ಲೈನ್? ಸೊ 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ 100 cos 60 into 4, it is creating anti-clockwise direction. So minus 100 cos 60 into 4. Then about A, this will also be negative. So minus 100 sin 60 into 2, because for this line it will make, the distance is 2. From this line to this line the distance is 4. Okay, line of action we have to take. So I'll take moment about A, that is first one is 100 minus 100 sin 60 into 2, then minus 100 cos 60 into 4. Okay, then this force will also create moment, this force will also create moment. So this is 200 cos 33.69. so where it is at this point. From this point, what is the distance towards A? 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, 200 sin 33.69. this will create a clockwise movement about A. Whether this one create anti-clockwise, this one create clockwise. So what is the distance? Distance is 3, 1 2 3. So minus 200 cos, minus 200 cos 33.69 into 4. Then I'll take here, that is plus 200 sin 33.69. okay, you would just write down the figure again. 200 sin 33.69 into 200 sin 39.69 into 1 2 3 4. so it will become 3. Now again, which are the forces remaining? This 300 forces. Okay, so 300 Newton into 1 2 3 4. so it will create anti-clockwise direction. I'll directly write, so minus 300 into 4. Then what are the forces here? 400 Newton. So 400 Newton, this force will not create any moment, but this force will create, that is also clockwise movement. So this is clockwise, man, and 300 also clockwise, so take it as positive. Okay, that is 400 cos 26.57. so what is the distance? So from here to A, 1 2. so 2 is the distance. Okay, so moment about A will be, I'll calculate directly. See here, so minus 100 sin 60, and upon calculating I'll get 1209.49 1209.49 Newton meter. So I got moment about A as 1209.49 Newton meter. So then after finding that, what I'll do, I'll find the D, that is MA by R, that is 1209.49 divided by R is how much? R is 1125.56. so the D will be, this D will be 1.07 meter. Okay, d will be 1.07. Now x intercept and y intercept. So your x intercept and y intercept will be, what is the formula? Moment about A by summation of V. This is moment about A by summation of H, right? So moment about 1209.49 divided by summation of V is minus 683.1 Newton. So this is 1209.49 moment divided by summation of H is minus 895.33. So x intercept will be 1.77, 1.35 meter. That is both in negative direction. So if both are negative direction, it will obviously it is in fourth quadrant, right? So this will also confirms that it is in fourth quadrant. Now if I want to draw the resultant, so it will come in third, right? So r is equal to 1125.56, theta will come anti-clockwise, that is 37.30 degree. This is the r value. So what about the distance of r from A? Okay, so A will be perpendicular to this, that is at a distance of 1.07. so perpendicular to this, so point A will be like this, so the triangle will be like this. Okay, A will, and this direction is 1.07 meter. So these were the problems on the variance theorem, or based on variance theorem. So here I conclude this chapter. So I hope you understand. Thank you. And who are not subscribed still, please subscribe so that it will motivate me. Thank you.